right? I mean, it's no different than Kobe going to Germany to get his knee fixed, right? Because they're willing to do a very simple procedure that in the United States you can do for, if you have like tendinitis in your elbow, you can suck out your blood, you can spin it up, you can re-inject the plasma. I think docs will do that, right? Right on? You can do that here. But you can't do that for the knee. Well, who decided that? The fucking knee lobby? Right, so now I got to schlep to Germany to do it? I mean, it's good enough for Kobe, it's good enough for me, goddammit. My knee hurts. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just so stupid. Like, how do we end up in this stupid state? How are we all just governed by idiots? It's so frustrating. Peter Thiel and I funded this amazing woman, Ellie Kaplan, and she basically worked with these folks at Emory University to build a product that within 6 years can predict whether you're going to get Alzheimer's within 6 years. You take this test, and it's non-invasive, it's a visual test, and it basically has this really clever ability to, using eye tracking and a bunch of other sophisticated things and some sort of like really tight-knit algorithms that they've developed, intuit the behavior of the hippocampus in the brain, and then based on that infer whether you're going to get Alzheimer's or not. And in this big study that they did with the NIH, 100% accuracy if you got a score of 67 or greater that you weren't going to get Alzheimer's, and 100% accuracy if you got a score of 50 or less that you would within 6 years. So to me, that's like the first meaningful thing that I've ever heard of in really understanding neurodegenerative disease. And I think that's going to be a really interesting starting point to then start to figure out how do you condition and train the mind the way you train your body. I mean, you have stuff like lumosity with like neuroplasticity. It seems like a bunch of hocus pocus to me. I think it's a very good business, but I don't believe that that's really efficacious. But if you can isolate people who are pre-symptomatic and then get them into the hands of folks that are developing drug candidates, then I think you're going to start to unlock the behavior of the mind. That's probably, in my opinion, the most interesting thing that I've personally seen. All this other stuff is a bunch of malarkey, I think. Brain waves and all. Who the fuck knows what all that stuff means?
By far the best investment you can make is in yourself. If you invest in yourself, nobody can take it away from you.